Can a tiny little crab scare a powerful bald eagle? What happens when a leopard comes face to face with a black panther? The world of the wild is full of action, and we have got the most insane fights ever recorded. So, let's wait no more and watch the 14 insane animal battles caught on camera. Number 14. Eagle and Crab. Bald eagles' wingspan can go up to 8 feet long, and these birds can swoop down on their prey at up to 100 miles per hour. How do you defeat that? Especially if you are a teeny tiny crab. It's just a losing fight for a crab, right? Well, it might not be. This eagle has spotted a crab in the water and lifts it up in its beak. Probably, the bird's just too damn happy to find this quick snack. But that happiness isn't going to stay for too long, because this crab is a fighter. It latches on to the beaks of the eagle, and probably it started to poke the bird with its small but sharp pincers. The eagle is visibly in pain as the bird keeps flapping the wing and trying to get rid of the crab. The situation is so bad that the mighty eagle falls in the water and almost drowns before the crab finally leaves it. Number 13. Elephant versus Rhinoceros. Elephants tend to be docile creatures, but they can sometimes bully other animals solely with their size and strength. Even though rhinoceros are no small creatures themselves, they are still severely on the back foot when facing off against the jumbos. Here are two of the world's largest animals going toe-to-toe. The rhino stands its ground and tries to challenge the elephant, but the elephant charges in. Although rhinos are incredibly strong animals, they just don't have enough muscle power to take on the raw strength of an enraged elephant, and that's pretty evident here. The nearly 6-ton mammal rams into the rhino with its tusks and completely overpowers it. Even when the rhino topples over, the elephant keeps attacking and pushing it back. Luckily, the rhino manages to flee with its life and call it a draw, even though the results were quite obvious. Number 12. Lion versus Crocodile. Lions should stick to the land where their expertise lies when it comes to fighting and hunting. In water, these predators are completely defenseless and often end up at the mercy of dangerous creatures such as crocodiles. This lion is trying to swim across a river, but it's completely unaware of the danger that's lurking in the water. A deadly crocodile is nearby, and as soon as it sees the lion jump in the water, the reptile decides to sneak up on it from behind. The big cat doesn't even notice the reptile until it gets really close to the lion. When a wild cat and a crocodile get into an altercation in the water, it's obvious that the reptile has the advantage. The crocodile wastes no time and snaps its jaws at the lion as soon as it gets close enough. Even though the lion didn't notice the croc, it somehow managed to dodge the reptile's vicious jaws. Number 11. Lion versus Giraffe. You think that giraffes are simply too big for lions to target, but due to their pride strength and desperation for food, these big cats often target giraffes, and in such events, things can go either way depending on a lot of factors. Here's a giraffe that finds itself in a really tight situation as it is surrounded by a pride of hungry lions. Alone, the giraffe doesn't seem to have a chance against an entire pride, but it has to fight back if it wants to survive. One of the big cats attempts to latch on to the giraffe, but it's quick to kick the lion off. The lions are probably injured, but the pride hasn't given up yet. They try to attack it a few more times, but the giraffe manages to keep them at bay using its super strong kicks. Very soon, the pride learns its lesson as they are unable to take the giraffe down. Here's another giraffe that's being ambushed by a pride of lions, but these lions aren't as lucky as the ones in the previous video, and you'll find out why in just a few seconds. The rest of the pride watches from a distance as the giraffe kicks down one of the lions and severely injures it. The helpless big cat just lies there near the giraffe, unable to move, presumably because of its injury. The giraffe seems to be in full battle mode as it keeps stomping and kicking the lion even after immobilizing it. The rest of the pride is nearby, but they are hesitant to interfere as they might very well end up like their mate. Number 10. Gorilla versus Gorilla. Usually, gorillas tend to have strong social connections and familial bonds. However, fights can happen between two gorillas due to arguments, and these fights tend to be explosive. Due to their massive strength, enraged gorillas can be quite a bit of damage. These two gorillas are swinging punches at each other inside an enclosure at the Omaha Zoo. Although this altercation is taking place in a zoo, fights like this aren't uncommon in the wild. One of them comes charging at the other, and a massive fight breaks out. Both throw a few hard punches at each other, and even try to slam the other down. As the fight rages on, one of the gorillas realizes it's best to back down, and thus, immediately retreats. Number 9. Snake versus Rabbit. Snakes routinely target and feed on rabbits, especially the venomous ones. However, if you thought these fights are always one-sided, think again. Here's a snake that has just caught a young rabbit, presumably to make a meal out of it. But the young one's mother is nearby, and she is not going to let that happen on her watch. Just when it seems like it's game over for the baby rabbit, its mother steps in and forces the snake to let go. The young rabbit manages to escape, but its mother isn't done yet. She barely avoids the snake's attack, and instead of running away, tries to go after the snake head on. She grabs the snake and unloads a barrage of kicks on the reptile. This is definitely the most fearless and aggressive bunny I've ever seen. Number 8. Leopard vs. Black Panther. Only around 11% of the global leopards are colored black and known as black panthers, so it's incredibly rare to spot one of these animals, let alone record a video of a black panther and a leopard fighting. Well, guess what? We have just that to show to you guys. Take a look at this black panther that seems to be posing for photos when it suddenly notices something on a treetop. There's a leopard nearby, and a panther immediately springs into action and goes after it. The leopard growls warningly at the panther as it comes really close to it. We don't know how this face-off really ended, but it's safe to assume that things could have turned violent at any time. Number 7. Leopard vs. Monitor Lizard. Ask anyone and they'd say that leopards would dominate a fight against a monitor lizard. But these reptiles have an ace up their sleeves, or shall we say tails. Monitor lizards have an extremely powerful tail, and they can use it to slap any predator that dare comes close. Size doesn't always mean that you will win the fight. In fact, some small creatures can pack in quite the punch. In this clip, watch how this leopard is going after the monitor lizard. But every time the ferocious big cat inches closer, the lizard tail whips it across the face. Like a true David versus Goliath scene, the lizard fights mightily. The leopard seems annoyed and irritated by these tail slaps more than anything else. Finally, the leopard has had enough and simply grabs the lizard on its back and carries it off. It looks like an unhappy end for this lizard. Number 6. Leopard vs. Porcupine. Porcupines aren't any easier to handle for a leopard either. In fact, these animals with hundreds of quills can inflict enough damage to even kill a careless big cat, so going after a porcupine is a risky maneuver. These two leopards have just come across two porcupines, and it looks like they want to make a meal of these bristled rodents. But unfortunately, the big cats can't seem to find an opening to attack the porcupine. One of them tries approaching their prey from every angle possible, but the porcupine's quills make it impossible for the big cat to attack. Its sharp quills can easily snap and stay embedded in flesh, causing a number of serious complications. Finally, the leopard gives up, and the porcupines manage to escape. But you can see the quills lodged in the leopard's face. Take a look at this leopard. Here's a perfect example why you shouldn't mess with a porcupine, and this leopard seems to have learned it the hard way. The leopard struggles to pull out the quills after being poked in the face multiple times. This big cat was really having a bad day. Number 5. Badger vs. Fox. Badgers are relentless opponents and can be almost impossible to ward off once they target you. While they don't prey on adult foxes, badgers are known to sneak into burrows and feed on the kits. Only a vigilant parent fox can prevent this from happening. Take a look at this fox trying to protect its young ones from a badger that's invading their den. The fox instantly rushes towards the threat and tries to fight it off. The fearless badger dodges its attacks, and it seems to be putting up a really good fight. The fox mom panics as the badger somehow manages to get inside her den, where she still has one of her babies. She immediately follows the badger inside and compels it to flee as she continues her aggressive assault. Unable to run away, the badger attempts to head back to the fox's den, but this time, Mama Fox is able to intercept it before entering the den and scares it away with a few more hits. Number 4. Anaconda vs. Caiman. Both anacondas and caimans are nightmarish creatures that prey on other helpless animals. However, that doesn't make these two predators friends. In fact, there have been instances where anacondas and caimans have been pitted against each other too. This massive anaconda is trying to wrestle a caiman. This fight is so intense that you can barely tell who is attacking whom. The snake tries to crush the caiman by wrapping around it. Even in a tight situation like this, the reptile is retaliating and manages to snap its jaws at the snake. This insane fight looks like a stalemate with none of the creatures ready to surrender. But it doesn't look like the caiman can survive for much longer because the anaconda's crushing force will surely suffocate it. Number 3. Lions vs. Buffalo Bull. Although buffalo bulls are incredibly strong and hardy animals, they can hardly put up a fight against an entire lion pride. However, things turn out completely differently when the bull has backup of its own in the form of its herd. A pride of lions is trying to take on a buffalo bull by sneaking up on it. The pride eventually manages to chase and isolate the buffalo from the rest of the herd. But even on its own, a bull is a formidable opponent. At first, the bull tries to flee, but soon it becomes clear that running away isn't an option. The lions try to ambush it from every direction, and one of them even lands a hit, but the bull, luckily, manages to dodge it. It uses its massive horns to keep the lions at a safe distance, but the wildcat pride keeps attacking relentlessly. Finally, one of the lions manages to latch on to the buffalo and bites it hard before bringing it down. Despite the buffalo putting up a really good fight, it was too massively outnumbered to even stand a chance against an entire pride of lions. Number 2. Alligator versus eel. Eels are slippery creatures that tend to be extremely difficult to nab and prey on. But for alligators, this doesn't seem like a challenging task, as they feed on eels whenever they get their jaws on one. This alligator is trying to munch on an eel that it has just caught. Despite the huge difference in their size, the eel isn't ready to give up yet, as it fights back to free itself from the deadly jaws of the alligator. At one point, it manages to escape, but the reptile quickly catches it and regains control of the situation. The alligator gulps down the eel whole as it tries to wiggle and escape. I guess eels don't really stand a chance against a hungry alligator. Number 1. Bear versus bear. Bear fights are not that uncommon. These animals are extremely territorial and don't like when another bear ventures too close. Bears may also engage in fights among themselves due to competition over food. Here are two bears that waste no time as they spring right into action after coming face to face with each other. Immediately, claws start flying as both of these enormous mammals try to gain the upper hand and dominate the fight. As the intense wrestling continues, one of them slams the other on the ground and starts biting into its flesh. Helpless, the other bear tries to retaliate and free itself. Except, this fight isn't over yet. As the attacker charges forward, the other bear is forced to back off if it wants to survive this duel. It is always difficult to predict which way a fight would go in the animal kingdom. Even weathered predators make mistakes, often leading them to lose their meal. In some cases, such a mistake can mean the difference between life and death, because out in the wild, you get no second chances. That's all for today. If you liked our video, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel. For updates about future content, click on the bell icon and turn on all notifications. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.